For goodness sake, to think Duncan isn't respected, I would beg to differ.
Oh dear, what's the issue of the day?
Those cattle trucks are nothing but nitpicky today. Complaining about my whistling loudly, wheezing steam in some places, and braking too soon into Lakeside. It's unacceptable. Here's my tip. Withdraw those cattle trucks and get more coaches like Gertrude and Millicent. Now those are two proper coaches.
That idea would never suit his grace. Do you ever remember Skarloey saying, "Passengers are our coal and water"?
Yes, but that's not the point. The point is, give me Gertrude and Millicent for passenger duties, or even the Blue Mugs and Quarry jobs. Now those are my sort of jobs.
You really are fussy about what you do, aren't you, Sir Handel?
Besides, weren't you on incline duty today?
I was, but Reneus was having trouble with his cylinder cocks, and I thought a lovely passenger journey would get me away from some of those worried about Slate trucks.
How so?
Some old Slate truck was saying that it will be 2 days to the anniversary of some other Slate truck, and you know what I say? Utter rubbish!
Little that Sir Handel knew that Skarloey had heard everything. He rolled up with a serious look on his face. "That's no rubbish, Sir Handel. It's a true fact that those trucks have a right to be worried."
Really? What do you mean, Skarloey?
Do tell. It was way before all of you arrived. Back then, it was only Reneus and I. We were working well, but very recently, some new trucks were bought for the incline. One of them had a name. He was called Slater. He was nothing but trouble. Things always went wrong when me and Reneus had him a part of our trains. He shoved, bumped, and swayed violently, and occasionally caused us to derail. It was like this for 5 months, until one day he would both go a real further and too far.
Drag him back! Drag him back! Hurt him! Damage him! Go on! Go on!
And before I knew it, the coupling between me and the first truck snapped and ran with every increasing speed they put in. At the time, the gunpowder wagons were new and only dealt with mature railway workers. The man with the wagons wasn't aware of Slater's runaway team. Before anyone could act, it was far too late.
What happened?
The gunpowder exploded. Of course, the remains of Slater and the other trucks were cleared up and taken away. I have no doubt the men survived too. You're right, Duke. Those poor souls were burned to the crisp. After that, the trucks were very careful and well behaved, and didn't give me and Rheneas any trouble. Were you all right after all that, Skarloey? I was shaken up. The manager knew it wasn't my fault. He just told me to take it easy.
Okay, Skarloey, not going to lie, but that is a load of rubbish. I mean, one truck. One truck!
Did you just hear a single word of the story I just told you, Sir Handel?
Yes, but it sounds like a story to be told on Halloween. Now, if you excuse me, I need some beauty sleep.
That attitude to idiotic death would never...
Suit his grace. We know, Grandpuff. We know.
Don't get cheeky with me, Peter Sam. Oh, that arrogant engine. He is being worse than Duncan. Don't worry, Skarloey. I'm sure Sir Handel will come to his sense.
However, after his nap and going back to work the next few days, Sir Handel had shrugged the story off his mind and carried on doing his own jobs. However, the story got brought back to him on the night of Slater's anniversary. Wake up, Sir Handel. Duncan's fire bars are loose and we have to take his evening passenger train as you still have a little fire going.
I'm tired. Let Beer Sam go. He loves travelling through the sunset.
No, you're going. Grumbling out of the shed, collecting the coaches, and all the way up to Lakeside, Sir Handel didn't make it a pleasant run for himself. Unaware for now, Sir Handel's mood would turn to horror. He had just passed Crosney Curran when his driver stopped him just below the steepest part of the line.
Hey, what are you playing at? This is the steepest part of the line.
Sorry, old boy, but the fireman and I need to pick something up from the previous station. We shan't be long. They left Sir Handel out in the open, alone. No passengers in the coaches, and the guard had accompanied the crew for the little stroll. It had only been 5 minutes when Sir Handel heard a rattling sound.
What was that? Hello? Who's out there? Show yourself. It's Slater! He's coming for me!
Sir Handel slowly opened one eye and then the other. Slater had vanished. He was badly shaken and his face was pale as a ghost. He was silent as ever, even when his crew came back.
Morning, Duke. Good morning, Skarloey.
Good morning, you two.
Peter Sam, why are you in front of Sir Handel?
Well, I was awake when Sir Handel came back, but he wanted me to be in front of him, so his crew started me up and rolled me up to him. But I must admit, he looks pale and looks as though he has seen a ghost.
Does he? Tell you what, Peter Sam, you go and head off to work. I'm not needed for a little while, so I will look after Sir Handel.
Thanks, Skarloey. See you later.
I'd better be off too. See you later.
Skarloey asked his crew to put him by Sir Handel to keep him company, and that is what they did.
You encountered Slater, didn't you?
Yes.
That was all Skarloey said. He stayed silent. He was aware that Sir Handel was lost in his own thoughts.